This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Talofa Sāmoa lau atinu upele, whaftai mo lau tapua'iga, o le pale nei mo oto lau Sāmoa matalasi. It has been a beautiful week of celebration of cultural heritage, of unity, and of cultural diversity. It's been a week of sisterhood, of celebration, and Samoa, we could not have done it without your support. From myself, our team, whaftai tele lava. I represented you with everything that I could, and I'm so grateful and so humbled that we get to take this pale back home to our beautiful islands. A special and humble thank you to Digicel family for sponsoring us and making it possible for all of us to view the pageant live. We love you, we appreciate you, and I wish everybody today a beautiful week. Manuia li sa pati, soifua mai manuia.